Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings because that's where keyboard behavior lives. Tap the gear icon from Quick Settings or Open Settings from the app drawer. Once done, scroll to Languages and Input or General Management depending on your model, because Samsung groups keyboard controls there. Make sure you note which keyboard you're using. Samsung keyboard versus a third-party app matters. Now tap Languages and Input to reveal keyboard options so you can access the autocorrect controls directly. You now choose the active keyboard. Tapping on-screen keyboard shows Samsung keyboard and any others installed. Once you select Samsung keyboard, go into Smart Typing or Text Correction because autocorrect lives inside those menus. Inside Text Correction, you'll see Predictive Text, Auto Replace, and Auto Spacing options. These control how your phone changes words automatically. Toggle off Auto Replace or Predictive Text to stop automatic corrections, and leave Suggestions on if you still want typing help without forced. You finish by toggling the specific autocorrect switches off. Disable Auto Replace or Auto Correction and confirm Predictive Text is set per your preference. Once disabled, type in a message to verify words no longer change automatically. This confirms the setting took effect. If the problem continues, make sure you disabled the correct keyboard. Sometimes third-party keyboards override settings, and restart your phone to clear caches. If that doesn't help, switch to another keyboard briefly to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.